Hello friends, my name is Uday and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss various ways of cloning a Python list and their performance in terms of speed. So let us create a list. Okay, now let us try to copy this old list using list.copy method. Now let us try to print what is it, new list. Yeah, so you can see that new list is having a copy of old list. Now let us try to print the identity of both old list as well as new list, so that we will get to know if they both refer to same object or two different object. As you can see, they both are referring to two different objects. Okay, now let us try to see the performance of the copy method. Let us create a function and let us try to write the same code under this function. See, as you can see, the list.copy method takes 0.89 seconds to execute. So this piece of code repeats itself for 1 million time. So to execute 1 million time, it takes 0.89 seconds. So same way, let's see the second method of copying a list, and the method is using slice operation. So let's repeat the same thing here, but this time instead of copy we will use slice method. Okay, now let us see what does it contain, and what does it contain, and what is the object IDs of both old list as well as new list. As you can see, both refers to two different locations or two different objects. Now let us try to see the speed execution using the slice operation. So let us modify this. And let us try to call this function here. And yeah, let's run. So as you can see, it takes almost same time. It's almost same time to execute 1 million times this f underscore slice function. Yeah, so next method is to use copy.copy. So using copy.copy, let's see how does it work, how we can make a copy of this list. So for that, let us import copy, and then let's do new list equal to mistake. Copy of old list. Yeah, 1 2 3 4. So now let us try to see the speed of copy. So now let us call copy here, and let us try to do the same thing over here. Yeah, now let's run the code. Let's see how much time it takes. Yeah, it takes 2.24 seconds. So that means copy is little bit time expensive compared to slicing operation and only copy operation. So there is another method called extend method. Let us try to create list using extend, clone the list using extend method. So before that you have to create a empty list, and then you can do like this. What you can pass old list over here, and then let's try to read the value back. So as you can see, yeah, yes. So you can see whether it refers to the same location or different location. Yes, both refers to different location. And let us try to see the speed of extend method. So what we can do here also, now let's see how long. Okay, yeah, it is slightly better. The extend operation is slightly better than copy, but yeah, it is almost similar to copy method or the slicing method. So another method is list comprehension. So let us try to do list comprehension method. So for that, let's create a for loop for I in old underscore list. Let us try to print the I in a list. So this is new list. Yes. So now let us try to print this new list over here. Let us see if both refers to the same location or different location. Yeah, both refers to different location. And now let us sorry, import. Yeah, this line is not required because already I have imported so many times above. Only one time you can do, one time import you can do in this Jupyter notebook. Yeah, so this time let us do list comp, and you can call this method here. And what you can do is you can do this here. So let's try to run. Let's see how long it takes. It takes 1.6 minutes. So list comprehension also takes little bit more time. Then there is another method called copy.deepcopy. So that also we can try. So new list equal to copy dot deep copy of old list. And then let us try to print new list. Oops, sorry. Yeah, yeah. and let us try to get the ID of both variable. Let's see. Yeah, both refers to two different objects. And then let us try to see the speed execution using deep copy. Let's see how much time does it take. Yeah, so I think it takes a little bit more time. Remember that all this time it function runs for one default 1 million times. Okay, so it will loop over for 1 million times to calculate the average time taken for each Python code. So here, as you can see, it takes almost 20.2 times. So in this way you can see that copy deep copy is most time expensive, and the best method is slicing and extend method. Slicing, copy and extend method are the fastest method to copy or clone a list. Yeah, so if you like the content of my video, then you can like and share to this video, and as well as you can subscribe to my channel, and I will leave the source code link or Jupyter notebook link in the description below. So thank you, bye bye, see you in the next time.